Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to disable the Save Live video feature on Instagram, giving you more control over your live broadcast and ensuring privacy for sensitive content. Turning off this feature can be essential for maintaining control over your live session. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tutorials. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your Instagram profile. Before we proceed with this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any future tech tutorials. In your Instagram profile, tap on the three horizontal line in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy to access your privacy preference. Under the Privacy section, tap on Live to customize your live video settings. In Live Settings, you will find the Save Live Video option. Toggle off the switch next to it to disable the feature. Turning this feature off gives you more control over your live broadcast and ensure privacy for your sensitive content. Now you can confidently engage with your audience without the worry of permanent recordings or autosave. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tech tips and tutorials.